Let's take a look at your markets, kicking things off on the JSE. Now, local markets initially got a positive handover from Asia, and that not really filtering through to the JSE. This as gold takes a break from its record run, and that weighing on the miners here at home. And with that, we are seeing the resources complex taking the biggest knock, down close to 3.4%. Also in the red is the industrial 25, shedding close to 0.5%, and that of course weighing on the all share, which is down 0.6%. However, in the green is the financial 15, up close to 2%. Now let's take a look at what's playing out stateside. Those markets are taking a bit of a breather this afternoon or this evening. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq pulling back from record highs, with traders weighing up future rate cuts amid a U.S. shutdown. And it's read across the board, with the Nasdaq taking the biggest hit, down close to 0.4%, followed by the Dow and the S&P 500 losing a third of a percent. Now let's go across the Atlantic. Trade was mixed, or else it still remains mixed on that front, with political developments in France occupying investors' minds. Despite that, we are seeing the CAC 40 retracing some of the losses of earlier today. It's now only down 0.15%. The FTSE 100 also in the red, shedding 0.28%. Trading in the opposite direction is the German DAX, gaining 0.3%. Let's move over to our currency scene, kicking things off with the local unit. Now, the rand remains pretty strong despite downbeat manufacturing output data. Production on that front declining 1.5% in August. And we are seeing slight weakness when it comes to the dollar-rand pair, but as I mentioned, remaining quite resilient at 17.17. Some strength coming through in the other pairs, the pound to the rand at 22.84 and the euro to the rand at 19.85. Let's check in on your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar strong at 1.15, the pound to the dollar at 1.33. Now we're seeing the Japanese yen sitting at its weakest level against the dollar since mid-February. This as traders digest commentary from the newly elected leader of the ruling party, and that pair, as I mentioned, trading weaker at 153.